You must have heard of a flight simulator where pilots go to train before they fly. Nowadays, even car driving can be learned in a car simulator before you go on roads. Now imagine if I tell you that you can simulate ocean in a lab. Unfortunately, I can't promise if you can swim or scuba dive in it, but you can definitely do some math and physics on it. Hi, I'm Uday. I'm doing masters in physical oceanography. So I have a oh wait, did I just say math and physics? Did I already bore you? You'll see for yourself in the next 2.5 minutes. So in my lab, I have a tank which can rotate. I pour some water into it, and I simulate the ocean. I study something called jets in the ocean. Jets are long and narrow streams of flow. They're like river in an ocean. So these jets are also found on Jupiter. These streaks of flow. So I don't just simulate ocean in my tank, but I also simulate Jupiter. So while the tank is rotating, a camera on top of the tank keeps taking snapshots. I collect some of these snapshots and do some mathematics. I look at imaginary particles in the ocean. Now the ocean is so chaotic that movement of the particles is so random. For example, if you take a box of particles, it never stays same. The shape keeps changing, and I studied these shapes. You can imagine these particles as an iceberg. Now there's a jet stream, which comes from Greenland to Newfoundland, which carries these icebergs every summer to St. John's. So if I am in Labrador today and I sight an iceberg, I can call my friend in St. John's and say that in 2 days, you can sight another iceberg because I know how the stream is flowing, right? And similarly, there's another stream which flows from the equator up north and betrays Newfoundland just south of it, turns right, goes to Europe. Now, London, which is 500 kilometers north of St. John's, way north, receives way less sunshine than St. John's, is warmer than St. John's. It hardly receives 15 days of snowfall every year. Why? Because of these warm waters which go there. And this stream of water which comes from the north is cold. So Newfoundland is cursed by nature. So if I study these warm and cold currents, I can say if it is going to be sunny or rainy today. If you don't have deadlines or assignments, you can go out on the beach or cover yourself with layers. And indeed, the weather is nice today, Miss Francesca. I cannot promise much, but I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.